Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put this stake in. And this stake is put in, I just tap it in a little bit. Just a little bit, don't want to brad that right there. And that's what this rod is for, is to actually hammer this in. So it doesn't matter if you brad this or not. All the way down. Sometimes it can be kind of hard.
It's crooked, isn't it?
That's because I'm a little crooked.
You better not be.
Just a little.
You better
Okay.
not be.
This ground is extremely hard.
It's red clay.
Okay, I'm going to leave it at that. I like to drive it all the way down even, but the ground is so hard. And right there's what happens to the end of the post. If you try to drive that directly into it, then this post is not going to go on over it. So then we take this, slides on it like that. Now, let's see here. Hope I have the right one. I know I put it here in my pocket somewhere, but I don't have it, it looks like. There's a certain pin, a certain bolt that goes on there that this wing nut goes on, and it looks like I'm missing it. It is not this one. This one right here is the one that goes through this post right here. And right here is what it looks like. But that's not the one that goes down at the bottom. It's a regular bolt with this nut right here. But it looks like I'm gonna have to make another trip. Okay. So, you can come over here now. These right here are the ones that go on for the rider. And you might want to get a picture of that. And these riders have these holes in them, but you have to miss the holes because it won't sit in there right if you don't. So you have to kind of get to the side of the holes and just screw these in and miss those so it'll stay upright. I'm going to screw this one in quite a bit. Okay, now I like these a lot better than I like those, so I'm going to take these off and put the other ones on there. Okay, so the other ones are still here in my pocket. And then this. Just like that. And if I had that finishing bolt, it would be done. You make sure these end caps are on, and that's it.